Hello, David here. The project for today is to do an update to the video I made calling "Is My Upper Receiver Out of Spec?" And I have my friend's upper receiver on his LR308, and I've got my receiver rod here, and this top piece is securely snugged on, and it does go in. Do you happen to know the manufacturer of this upper?
The upper is CBC in South Carolina.
Okay,
China.
CBC. Okay,
Yeah.
That's definitely not where mine is from. Mine is from a company called AR15.com. So this does fit in, and that is a definite out-of-spec upper receiver on mine. So it's not a problem of Midwest Industries. And by the way, Midwest Industries never did respond to my email where they said they have a 48-hour response. It's been about a week and a half now. Anyway.
I've burned a few. Luckily, it's pure luck.
Even though the upper receiver is out of spec in relation to the receiver rod, it functioned pretty well. I only had one failure to feed, and maybe it's because it needs to be broken in. I only fired 30 rounds, and then I noticed the scope was loose, so I got to take it back home and tighten the scope. But this is at 25 yards. This is 30 yards. And I'm going to consider this project a success. I could move on to my next project. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.